This YouTube strategy claims you can trade breakouts on any asset at any time, and it's supposedly the best breakout strategy there is. So I've got to test that, right? The pitch is extremely simple. You find a range, you wait for price to break, and trade in the direction of the break. If it breaks up, you go long. If it breaks down, you go short. No indicators, no filters, no market context, no mention of stop loss or take profit. Just range, break, enter. Because the creator gives no risk rules, I had to define them. I used the 15-minute chart. I identified a clear range before the break. Entry on break close. Risk reward 2 to 1. Initial stop loss the full range. Massive, I know. Tested with and without trailing stops. And the results are in. The test period was from November 21st, 2025 to December 21st, 2025. First with the full range stop. Disaster. 35% win rate, only 35 trades. Your $1,000 go to 879. Because of the huge stop, it ended up in trades for a very long time. With a trailing stop, it actually didn't lose money. The 57.2% win rate, 200 trades because we were taken out more often. The wins were smaller, but the losses were smaller. Then I did it again, this time with the stop loss only half of the range. Here are some more trades. Without trailing stop, 35.1%, 132 trades, average win 9%, average loss minus 4.66. It was kind of break even. With the trailing stop, 48.8% win rate, 319 trades, which you'd expect more, 4% average win and minus 2.94 loss. So similar to before, slightly less. So why does it fail? Breakouts don't fail cleanly. They fail slowly. Price chops, it retests, it grinds. Using that large stop was making the assumption that the breakout trend would just keep going up or down, whatever direction you chose. A trailing stop helped, but still not impressive, just not broken. What this really tells me is, this strategy does not work anytime, any asset. Raw breakout trading is not the edge. It destroys accounts. So this is not the best breakout strategy. It's not even close. But it is a perfect example of how a YouTube short is just a marketing tool to drag you into a funnel. The simplicity you see sells, makes you click. Trade it raw and you'll just lose everything. Because this is TA bullshit. So if there's another can't fail strategy you see on YouTube, let me know and drop it in the comments. Please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next TA Busters.